Assalamu alaikum, class 7. Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to do vocabulary and question answers of Makyo. Your Oxford Progressive English, stationery, and a rough copy must be with you. Okay? So please arrange these things within a minute. Your Oxford Progressive English book, stationery, and a rough copy must be with you. It's page number 10, unit number 1, elephants. Topic is Makyo, and page is 10. Okay, this page. Where there is written a word, bottom left. Sorry, top left. Look at the top left of this page. Vocabulary. The word vocabulary is written. Find the words in the text which match the following definitions. We did it in last lecture. We will repeat it in today. Okay, first word is rips or tears. Who will tell me a synonym of it? Related words. Okay, moment. Unmute your mic.
Teacher, laceration.
Good, fine. And then second word is applications.
टीचर ट्रीटमेंट हो सकता है इसका?
Which? No, you have to find words from the text. Okay? Word applications is not in the text, but the word application is given to you. You have to choose a word from text.
Dressing.
Fine. Okay. Yes, Fatima, I will be asking you next words. Belief. Unmute your mic, Fatima.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, belief. Do you remember we did it in last lecture?
Yes.
Okay. So which word has same meaning as belief?
Convection.
Conviction. Fine. And fourth word, oozed.
टीचर oozed या diseased?
Separated. Oozed.
टीचर separated है उसका.
Please write the spellings carefully. And diseased.
Infection.
Infected.
टीचर infected
It is,
कहना टीचर.
yes, it is infected because this word is verb now. There is ed at the end of this word. So it will be infected. It will not be infection, okay? Infected.
Okay.
Diseased, infected. Now we are going to do question number 2. Okay, look at your books. Question number 2. Use your dictionary to answer the following questions. Question number 2, A part. Question number 2, A part. What is a barrel and what can be kept in a barrel? Moment, now I won't unmute your mic, okay? What about rest of the participants, rest of the students? Umar Noor Shamsi, please unmute your mic. Heather, unmute your mic. Aisha Qayyum, unmute your mic. Students, why are you not participating? It's very easy. Okay, Fatima.
Is the bottom part of the back of an elephant?
Okay, no. Read the question again. What is a barrel? What can be kept in a barrel? Read the question again. You have to answer this thing. Question number 2, part A. What is a barrel? What can be kept in a barrel? Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Fatima, did you find answer? Sure, Moment. Unmute your mic. Yes.
A barrel is a type of container that is watertight and it is usually made of wooden staves.
It is usually
And-
made of.
Wooden staves.
Okay. What else? Second
And
part of this question is what can be kept in a barrel?
you can give me 1 second.
Have you found the answer? Yes, Moment.
Not
Okay, fine. Look at the slide. Look at the slide. Barrel is a type of container or a round cylinder. We can keep oil, petrol, and sometimes water in the barrel. Okay. Barrel is a container or a round cylinder. We can keep oil, petrol, and sometimes water in the barrel. Fine. Question 2b. I'm going to read question. Barrel is also used non-literally. Non-literal mean exact meaning. Okay. As for example, she had fearful lacerations on the barrel of her back. Because after barrel, the word her back, these two words are used. So you can easily understand that about which barrel the writer is asking. Okay. So question number 2b, there are further two parts in question B. In question 2b part. In B part, there are further two parts. What part of the elephant's back is the barrel? And number 2, what part of a gun is the barrel? Okay. Yes, Fatima, you told me something about barrel. Would you like to repeat, Fatima? Unmute your mic.
Teacher, bottom part of the back of an elephant.
Okay, fine. It is the bottom part of the back of an elephant. And what about the second one? What part of a gun is the barrel? Fatima, unmute your mic. Okay, Aisha, unmute your mic.
Teacher, may I tell?
Yes, sure.
Front part of the gun from where a bullet is shoot.
Okay, fine. Good. Okay, I'm repeating question. What part of the elephant's back is the barrel? Now look at the slide. Answer to B part. It is the bottom part of the back of an elephant. Okay. And then what part of a gun is the barrel? It is the front part of the gun from where a bullet is shot. Right? Question 2, C part. First of all, a sentence is written here. You have scraped the bottom of the barrel with your appointment of Mr. Pitt as assistant. So there is a hidden meaning in it. This is not the barrel of gun. This is not the barrel of elephant's back. And this is not the barrel that is a container. So it is having a different meaning. You have scraped the bottom of the barrel with your appointment of Mr. Pitt as assistant. Assistant means helper. Mr. Pitt is the name of a person. He is lazy and inefficient and he is always late. Okay. So this phrase is given here. Scraped the bottom of the barrel. This expression, scraped the bottom of the barrel. What is meant by this? What do you think this expression to scrape the bottom of the barrel means? What is meant by this expression? Okay, Momin, unmute your mic.
Teacher, to use the least desirable elements.
So how will you say that you have scraped the bottom of the barrel?
Teacher, I don't understand what you
By adding meaning, by adding its, you are telling me its meaning now. This is an expression, you are telling me its meaning.
Yes.
So after adding meaning, will this sentence will be appropriate or not?
Teacher,
Add
it
that
is,
meaning here, add that meaning
is-
here, and then read it yourself.
teacher, it is informal.
What is informal?
Teacher, this phrase.
No, this is not informal. I'm going to tell you. It means to select wrong person, as you have no other option to choose wrong person, as there is no alternative. So he meant to
Because
say
one has no
that
choice.
you have chosen a wrong Mr. Pitt as assistant. He is lazy and inefficient and he is always late. So someone is saying to the writer, not to the writer, someone is saying that you have chosen wrong person as assistant. Okay. Scrapped the wrong person as you have no other choice or option, or to select wrong person as you have no alternative of it. To choose a wrong person or to select wrong person as you have no other option. So Mr. Pitt is selected as an assistant. Someone has chosen this wrong person as an assistant. He is already lazy and inefficient and he is always late. So this is the meaning of this expression. You have to write meaning, this one. When this video will be uploaded on YouTube, and if you watch this video on your mobile, then you can take screenshot of it and you screenshot it. Hopefully you have got it. Okay, number 3. Question number 3, explain the difference in meaning between the italicized phrases as they are used in the following sentences. Question 3a. There was great tenderness along a line 9 inches long where the wound had meaning. You have read the text, na? It is from paragraph 4. This sentence is paragraph 4. Atma, unmute your mic. Abia, please allow me screen sharing. Students, please wait. Wait for a while. Okay. Fine. Yes, who will tell me? This tenderness along a line 9 inches long. Fatwa 9 inches long. Will have to do. As in great tenderness, you have to write the word softness. Wait, students, again there is internet issue. मिस रबिया, अगर आप मुझे सुन रही हैं तो काइंडली स्क्रीन शेयर अलाउ करें मुझे। And creak, creak, harsh, high-pitched sound. And next word is kneading and kneading. Kneading, kneading mean squeeze or massage. And nwding, kneading mean require, want. Want, want or require. I'm repeating this kneading and kneading again. Kneading, kneading means squeeze, squeeze, squeeze or massage, massage. And second kneading, nwding, second kneading is want or require. I have tried again, but screen is not being shared. You have already seen this slide. So when you watch this video on YouTube, just stop it and then take screenshot of it. And this is the last slide where answers,
Do this all on copy.
obviously you have to do it in English notebook. Vocabulary and all these question answers which are discussed in this class. Okay, when I was telling you 2 minutes are left, when I was telling you creak and creak now, then I stopped recording. Okay, those students who did not listen to me, then creak and creak, creek, creek, small stream and creak, creek, harsh, high-pitched sound. Okay,
I have taken screenshot.
okay, fine.
Teacher, if sir allow me to chat on the group, I can send it.
I think it is not allowed
On
for
WhatsApp.
students.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, on WhatsApp, it is not allowed for students.
Teacher, what about question number 5? The masculine and feminine.
Yes, question number 5. A she elephant is a female elephant. A male elephant is called a bull elephant. Okay. What is a female horse called? Mare. 1 minute is left, students. Mare, M-A-R-E. What is a male sheep called? Ram.
Ram.
R-A, ram. What is a male deer called? Buck. B-U-C-K. Buck. What is a female fox called? Vixen. V-I-X-E-N. And what is a female wolf called?
Fox का क्या
She
है?
wolf. Yes.
Fox का
Which one?
Fox.
Vixen. V-I-X-E-N. V-I-X-E-N. 45 seconds are left.
Teacher, it's not appropriate feminine of wolf.
What are you saying, Moment?
Teacher,
Say
I'm
again.
saying it's not appropriate name of the feminine of wolf.
No. It will be called she wolf. Have you got?
Yes.
Okay, class 7. Thank you. Watch this video on YouTube. Must watch this video on YouTube and then listen to it carefully. You will find answers of all these questions. Okay. Thank you, class. Allah Hafiz.